Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a side fan fold. Using a washable marker and a piece of kite string, mark out your pattern, and then you want to fold along this line, making that line as straight as possible. Now that you have that line all pleated up, it's time to secure it. And for this project, I'm using kite string, but if you don't have kite string, you could also use rubber bands. Continue to work on your pleats. Now this particular project was becoming quite long and I needed to fit on my rack, so I'm just going to fold the end over and then secure it with the kite string and then tie the kite string off with a simple double knot. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And for this project, I'm only using deep yellow, but you could use any colors that you want and as many colors as you want. This is going to go into the playlist Dharma Swatches. And for those of you that don't know, I've created a playlist and I'm swatching out every color that Dharma has. So I think it's going to be a great tool for those of us dyers. We can look at that and see what colors we want. So check out that playlist. Grab a mask and give your project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. And I'm only putting the soda ash where I added the dye because the white areas don't need the extra soda ash. And then add your ice. I came back and checked the project after the ice had melted and the back had a lot of saturation, so I just let it batch for 24 hours after the ice melted. So it's been 24 hours since the ice has melted and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a plain hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Kirillon, and I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft to bring softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. I get both of those from Dharma Trading Company, and I have them listed down below in the description box with clickable links, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so go ahead and check that out. And then I put it in the dryer and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our deep yellow side fanfold after it's been washed and dried. The shirt turned out great. Those muck lines that are running through it create interest, like spokes on a wheel. And the shape that's underneath the underarm reminds me of a pon-pon dahlia. It's got scalloped edges and it's just so nice. I really do like this deep yellow. It's sort of like Tang. That's what it reminds me of. You know that drink that the astronauts have? Anyways. So I had originally did a different fold. This is the pleated diagonal, and I just wasn't happy with the saturation, and I felt like the pattern didn't really show off the color, so that's why I made a second shirt, the fan fold. So here they are side by side, and I'm leaning towards the side fan fold, but you can really see what the color does by looking at both shirts. And then this right here is the swatch of the liquid dye, with the ice dye behind it, and so that way you have it for reference. So don't forget to check out that playlist, the Dharma's swatches. So what do you guys think of this color? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.